Hello guys. So today we'll learn about the sustainable development goals. So basically there are 17 sustainable development goals, and if you write those answers in exam, then you will get more marks. So let us learn the sustainable development goals one by one. So in the picture you can see all the sustainable development goals. So let us see them one by one. So sustainable development goal 1 deals with poverty. So it says that there should be no poverty. Sustainable development 2 tells about hunger. So it says that there should be no hunger. 3 is good health and well-being, and 4 is quality education. 5 is gender equality, and 6 is clean water and sanitation. 7 is affordable and clean energy. 8 is decent and economic growth. 9 is industry innovation and infrastructure. 10 is reduced inequalities. 11 is sustainable cities and communities. 12 is responsible consumption and production. 13 is climate action. 14 is life below water. 15 is life on land. 16 is peace, justice and strong institutions. 17 is partnership of goals. So if you remember the sustainable development goals, then it will be very helpful to you. So let me ask few questions to you so that it becomes easy for you to remember the sustainable development goals. So you say, which sustainable development goal deals with decent and economic growth? The answer is sustainable development 8. Which sustainable development goal deals with life on land? The answer is sustainable development goal 15. If I ask about clean water and sanitation, do you know which sustainable development goal does it talk about? So it is number 6. 1 and 2 is very easy. It is no poverty and no hunger. Okay. So that one trick would be that if you don't have, if you are deprived, not deprived of poverty, then you will also have lot of food. So 1 and 2 is easy. And if you have good food, then number 3 would be good health and well-being. Number 4, after good health, you will think that your children should go to school. So it is about quality education. In quality education, if you go to school, the teachers will teach them gender equality. That means respecting males and females both in an equal manner. Then in school, if the child goes, he will drink water, definitely he will drink water. So according to sustainable development goal 6, it talks about clean water and sanitation. Sustainable development goals, after thinking about this goal, you think about the entire society. So we think of getting some clean energy. So it is sustainable development goal 7. Then sustainable development goal 8 talks about decent and economic growth. Then if you want decent and economic growth, because if you use number 6 clean water and number 7 clean energy, then definitely there will be economic growth. After economic growth, you will have more industries, innovation and infrastructure. So 9 is I. Just remember 9, associate 9 with I. And in alphabet, I would be 9, number 9. If you say A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, then I would be 9. So I is industry, innovation and infrastructure. Number 10 is reduced inequalities. 11 is sustainable cities and communities. So more industries, then there will be less inequality. So 5 and 10 is almost same. Gender equality and reduced inequality. So 5 is gender equality and 10 is reduced inequality. 11 is sustainable cities and communities. 11 is sustainable cities and communities. After sustainable cities and communities, there will be responsible consumption and production. And 13 is climate action. 14 is life below water. 15 is life on land. Definitely, after all this, you will also think about climate. So basically one thinks about poverty. So do you observe sustainable development goals, their aim is expanding. So 13 is climate action, 14 is now after cleaning the climate, a person thinks that he will build water, he will build his house below water. So that is 14. And after that he does not like the water, home at water, so he thinks that I will go back to land again, so he spends his life on land. And now he is living a very happy life, and he is living in peace, justice, and developing strong institutions. And now he is deciding partnership goals with his family, and that is sustainable development goal number 17. So those were the sustainable development goals in short, and so you should remember them.